Use a tightly curated kit of multi-use pest control products and a clear monthly review process to balance thoroughness with minimalism for small businesses. Start by defining a core list of products that together address the most common pests and delivery methods while minimizing overlap. For each product, note its primary use, target pests, typical application rate, and safety precautions so staff can match tool to task quickly. Train technicians on precise mixing and spot treatment techniques to reduce waste and drift. Emphasize measuring by weight or volume and recording each application immediately. Set up a simple inventory and log system to track when products are used and what outcomes follow, so you can correlate treatments with results and avoid unnecessary repeats. Schedule a monthly review where you reconcile stock, analyze treatment success, and decide if any specialty product needs to be added or retired based on evidence. When choosing specialty products, bring them in only for defined scenarios and document a written threshold for use so the team does not rely on them compulsively. The most common mistake is overstocking similar chemistries, which causes expired material and confusion. Solve this by consolidating to true multi-use products and labeling with clear use cases. Another frequent issue is inconsistent application leading to poor results. Fix that with short competency checks and a one-page procedure for each common treatment, so everyone applies the same dose in the same way. The third common problem is poor record keeping, which makes it impossible to learn what works. Adopt a 5-minute logging routine at the end of each job and keep outcome notes so you can adjust intervals or products based on real performance. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work tied to topics like minimalist product management. We also host a discussion community where professionals and owners share real field experience, product notes, and practical processes so we can all learn and refine our minimal, effective approach.